I'm Luke McKay. I'm the workshop manager here at Inland Petroleum. So here at Inland Petroleum we have a Levanta KAR250 Knuckle Lift, which is rated at 25 tonne. However, if it's loaded centrally, we can lift up to 38 tonne. So in the middle we have our 3 jacket beams, which allows us to do all our servicing and maintenance off the ground in a comfortable environment. We can do axle swaps, general maintenance like oils, inspections, brakes. The main reason we went with a Levanta Knuckle Lift over traditional 4-post hoist is you don't have to worry about load distribution or split weights. You can put the weight anywhere on the knuckle lift and it'll lift it. Plus we get a double combination which lets us bring B-doubles and the truck into the workshop at once.